You think that if I'm having some X amount of fluid, ki मैंने कहा water or milk or oil of, let's suppose मैंने कहा sapola oil, which if I just allowed it to flow, it will show that streamline flow and other will show the turbulent flow. Is it so? What do you think so? Think about it. It depends on what, here? Some conditions. Very, very good. It means a flow which is a streamline under some different condition, it can show some turbulence as well. And flow which is turbulent in some condition can show streamline behavior as well. So what is that condition is? So that condition or that particular velocity up to which, if the liquid is having a particular velocity, that velocity is known as critical velocity. And if the liquid is having that velocity, till that velocity the liquid is having streamline flow. And if the liquid or if the fluid is exceeding that velocity, that threshold, then it is showing the turbulent flow. So that margin, that boundary which is actually separating your streamline and turbulent flow is known as critical velocity. Anyone from your side who can just give me the definition of critical velocity? I just give you right now. Anyone from your side? What is the meaning of critical velocity? क्या है critical velocity? At least try. क्या है वो? एक particular boundary है, एक particular value है किसी velocity की, किसी fluid की, above which what happen and below which what happen? Above the critical velocity, how the fluid will behave? Above which? Turbulent. And below which, how the fluid will? It will be a streamline. That means equal to and less than streamline, more than that will be a turbulent. Now the question in our mind arises that on what factor that critical velocity depends. So the next topic is the critical velocity only. Write down the critical velocity at the top. Very, very important. Write down. And now you will say that आप सब कुछ important बोल देते हो. But thing is that some chapters are there in which everything is important. So, and if it will come in your PT once, so do remember this thing that each and every part subtopics will be there in the examination, because the number of questions need to come in the paper is increased. So to cater all this thing, we have to pick up maximum questions, maximum topic from the chapter. So critical velocity is the first topic for the day. So who will give the definition? बोलना चाहेगा अपने आप से या मैं ही बोलूं? चलो आप ही है ना, आप ही ये privilege ले लो. चलो लिखो फटाफट से. The critical velocity of a liquid. Everyone, write down. I hope you all are writing. Sure?
Yes.
Okay, write down. Critical velocity of a liquid is that limiting value. Critical velocity of a liquid is that value of its velocity of flow, up to which, now complete yourself, up to which what will happen? Jingalala. Up to which?
Ma'am, up to which the flow is streamlined.
And above which?
The flow is turbulent.
Now, very, very good, Bhavya. Thank you so much. Complete everyone. Up to which dash, above which dash. Complete the statement. Make proper notes.
I joined just now. Can you repeat once?
Okay, we're talking about critical velocity. Okay, fine. Bacha. So critical velocity, I'm giving you the definition. The critical velocity of a liquid is that limiting value of its velocity of flow up to which the flow is. Yes, Shubham, up to which the flow is what?
I'm streamlined.
Proud of you. And above which the Rohit, the flow is what? Turbulent. Very, very good. Proud of you. हम जीत गए. अब फटाफट से लिखो. Our next target is that we have to find out that on what factor it depends. Let's suppose I'm talking about some water is flowing in a pipe. So कब वो streamline behave करेगा, कब वो development behave करेगा, आई भाई बूझो तो जाने. So लिखो फटाफट से. The factors on which it depends. What depends? Critical velocity. The factors on which it depends is first coefficient of viscosity of that liquid. First is coefficient of viscosity of that liquid. Second, density of the liquid. Density of the liquid. And third, sorry, first one is the coefficient of viscosity of the liquid. Okay, dear? Coefficient of viscosity of the liquid. Second one is what? Who will tell me?
Density.
Density of the liquid. Density of liquid. अब थोड़ा सोचो यार, कुछ और बचा है क्या जिसको हमने नहीं कैटर किया? कुछ और बचा है? फ्लो कर रहा है. वेरी वेरी गुड. भैया किसमें फ्लो कर रहा है वो भी तो डिपेंड करता है. थोड़ा सा पानी तुम इतने बड़े ट्यूब में फ्लो करा दो और इतना सारा पानी तो तुम दूसरे ट्यूब ले रखी है. इट विल डिपेंड ऑन दैट आल्सो. वेरी वेरी गुड. थर्ड इज द डायमीटर ऑफ द ट्यूब. Third, the diameter of the tube. Now it's the testing time start. Your aim is to establish the relationship between all these three parameters. It's simple exercise and I want you to win that your critical velocity, VC, C stands for critical velocity, depends on coefficient of viscosity also. To what power? I don't know. So I've just put it the power A. On the density as well, rho. You want to write down D? कोई तुम्हारा बिगाड़ नहीं सकता. लग दो अपना नाम. कोई चेंज नहीं कर सकता. सब चलता है. B. Third one is the diameter of the tube. So which is C. Now I'm waiting for a response that you will, with the help of your dimension chapter. If you have done the application of dimension, we know that how to calculate the value of ABC, establishing the dimension like this. So please, I'm waiting.
Dimension of coefficient of viscosity M L minus 1 T minus 1.
Proud of you. Very very good. And what is the dimension of density? Who will tell me? ये तो सस्ता टिका होता है. Who will tell me dimension of density?
ml minus 3.
M1 L minus 3.
Minus 3. And do take care of this thing that you have to multiply that A and A as well here, B and B as well. Now diameter अब इतना पूछ के मैं आपकी insert नहीं करूँगी. Diameter means length to the power C. Clear? Now just sum up in one single equation and write down just give me the value of ABC. I'm waiting. Do it. Hopefully you are all doing.
Ma'am, the value of A is coming 1.
Okay.
B minus 1.
B is 1.
B is 1 or minus 1?
Ma'am, minus 1.
And C is minus
C?
1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
So A is 1, B is minus 1, C is minus 1. Everybody agreed or not? I have not solved it. It's on you only. Is your friends are giving you right information or not?
Ma'am, B1 is wrong. Ma'am, it should be 1.
अच्छा, तो it means contradiction आ रखा है, तो कोई बात नहीं. It will take only 1 minute to solve it out. Just have patience. So it's meter per second. Am I right or not? When I remove the sign of partiality, I have to put a constant. I don't know about this constant. So M A plus B is C, and just try to find out my mistakes. Minus A minus 3B plus C, T is equal to minus A. Am I right about this equation? Firstly, tell me. Jaldi se.
Yes, ma'am. A is 1 only.
Okay. I have done something wrong? No, I don't think so.
No, ma'am, no.
So what is A equal to? Just equate it. What is A equal to? 1. Yeah. And A plus B is equal to what? 0. Because there is no M here. So A is equal to 1. So B is equal to 1. What? Minus 1?
Minus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is equal to 1. So minus A minus 3B plus C is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 1. So at A is equal to 1. Minus 1 plus 3 plus C is equal to 1. It will be what? C is equal to, I think, minus 1.
Part of the board not visible.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, Ayush, what happened here? Anything problem?
The upper part is not visible.
The upper part of the board is not visible. Let me do something. Now, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is the is your value matching? So just who will tell me the final formula of VC?
VC is equals to K into eta upon rho into diameter.
Perfect. So this is the formula of the critical velocity, and we have to understand that how the question will come from this topic. Why it is needed to learn this whole stuff. Firstly, this constant is known as Reynolds constant. REYNOLDS. This is known as Reynolds constant. Write down everyone. This constant K is Reynolds constant given by a symbol RE. We'll discuss this RE later. That what is this RE is all about, why it is important to understand. But I'm reading out one statement and you have to tell me, am I right or not? Okay? I'm trying to just form a question. Can I? Everyone? Can I?
I'm just a
Audible or not? Just take it, note it down. Note it down. I'm waiting for a minute. Just write down this symbol is RE, known as Reynolds constant or Reynolds number. Reynolds constant or Reynolds number. And I hope that this formula is right. I don't think this formula is wrong. This formula is absolutely right.
What is D in this formula?
Diameter. Diameter of the tube. Okay? Yes, dear.
In the previous questions, whenever we have to calculate this, like this stuff, we always calculate R, not diameter. But in this question, why we calculate diameter?
Actually, you according to you, why we are reading about the diameter here? Is it so,
Yes.
na?
Yes, ma'am.
Because right now the fluid is not flowing into a radius. Na, but we know that na, what is the diameter of a tube in which the liquid is allowed to flow. So therefore, we are taking the concept of diameter. Nothing more than that. वहाँ तो हम लोग किसी body की size की बात कर रहे होते थे आज तक. Body का size. So for that, it is required that if we know the radius, our job is done. There is no issue. But right now, the liquid is flowing. Yeah, we are actually talking about some entire air cross section in which the liquid is flowing. So we have to take care of the diameter. Nothing more than that. Okay? Sure. Now, listen to me carefully and just tell me, am I right or not? The liquid which is having more or which is having high, wait, okay. The liquid which is having higher value of coefficient of viscosity, the liquid which is having higher value of coefficient of viscosity and is less denser, flowing in a narrow pipe tends to be more streamlined. This kind of question can come in other way around as well. I'm again repeating the statement and just tell me, am I right or not? Maybe I'm wrong. You have to correct me out if I'm wrong. And if I'm right, so why I'm right? Just tell me. A liquid which is having higher value of coefficient of viscosity and is less denser, flowing through a narrow pipe, tends to be more streamlined. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Why? Because when I increase this value and I'm decreasing this value, in whole what I'm doing, I'm increasing the value of critical velocity. This RE is constant, it's not changing. By changing all this stuff, I'm taking value of eta is very high, rho and D is very low. So actually this RE is constant, so VC value get increased. Now what that means, if VC is more for a particular fluid, VC is that threshold line after which the fluid will become turbulent. So मैंने वो range increase कर दी. मैंने क्या बोला, कोई एक fluid 20 centimeter per second के बाद turbulent बन जाए. हाँ, because it means for a more range of that velocity, the fluid is having that streamlined flow. किसी की है वो VC 1 meter per second है, किसी का VC 100 meter per second है. What is the difference between the two lines? That till 100 meter per second, this range, the flow will remain streamlined. And if the VC is only 1 meter per second, it means after 1 meter per second only, it will become turbulence. Am I clear or not? Am I clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fitness, so just write down this line in your notes because yes, Jazvia.
Ma'am, the statement you just said, ma'am, according to that, density और diameter तो फिर inversely proportional होने चाहिए.
तो यही तो मैंने बोला, density और
Ma'am,
diameter
but वो जो relation लिख रखा है उसमें तो directly proportional है.
अच्छा यार ऐसे मत बोलो, मैंने पावर एबीसी तो लगाई है, तूने पावर एबीसी निकाला तो है ना. मुझे तो तुम्हें ये तो हम क्लास 11 चैप्टर सेकंड चैप्टर में नहीं करते थे. तुम्हें कहा है दे आर डिपेंडेंट, हाउ दे डिपेंडेंट, इट्स योर जॉब टू फाइंड आउट. आई नो दे आर डिपेंडेंट, so I've just substituted the dimension of that ABC. After that you have calculated this formula ना, कि ABC नीचे आ रहा है, BOC नीचे आ रहा है, ये तो हमने निकाल दिया ना बच्चा.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, okay. So write down this line, then we have to proceed. Write down this line. The liquid is which is having less coefficient of viscosity, more denser, flowing in a broader pipe, extend to be
Turbulent.
turbulent.
Can you
Easy,
repeat?
easily. बेटा यार मैंने चेंज कर दिया, मैंने कहा कौन सा बोलूं, स्ट्रीमलाइन को बोलूं, टर्बुलेंस को बोलूं, व्हाटएवर यू वांट.
Ma'am, turbulent.
Turbulent, मैंने कहा a liquid which is having low value of coefficient of viscosity, more denser, flowing through a broader pipe, what will happen?
Turbulence increases.
The fluid will easily reach to the turbulent stage because the critical velocity become less as I've increased the denominator. Am I clear or not? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
मैम
ठीक है. Yes बच्चा.
मैम स्ट्रीमलाइन होने के लिए जो हमारी डेंसिटी होनी चाहिए वो लो होनी चाहिए और जो हमारा डायमीटर होना चाहिए वो इंक्रीज
छोटा
होना
होना चाहिए, ज्यादा होना चाहिए या कम होना चाहिए, सोचो, मुझे नहीं पता. What
Ma'am.
should be D? D should be also
लेस स्मॉल.
so that your VC will increase. ठीक है. सिर्फ D के लेस होने से नहीं होता या सिर्फ डेंसिटी के लेस होने से नहीं होगा. Everything should play a role together. ठीक है. Both should be less. Then only that will come into play. Okay. So next one subtopic is Reynolds number. Like if you remember your refractive index, if you remember your refractive index of your class 10, that was a parameter which decides that which medium is denser and which medium is rarer. Yes or no? Tell me. More is the
Yes, ma'am.
more was the value of the diamond is having 2.4 to refractive index. Yes or no? More is the value of refractive index. More is the material or medium
Optically dense.
denser. Denser. It means that mu was a particular parameter, was a number which gives you an idea about its optical density, that which medium is rarer, which medium is denser. Similarly, that do we have any number, any parameter which decides that the flow is streamlined or turbulent? I don't want to calculate all this stuff. Is there any constant which is giving us an idea that if the number is in a particular range, the fluid will be streamlined, and if the number increase from a range, the fluid will be turbulent? Yes, there is, and that number is known as Reynolds number. So write down Reynolds number. I hope I'm not going fast. Everything is crystal clear. What is Reynolds number all about? Critical velocity. Sure. जोर से बोलो.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Yes, dear. Yes. Chalo. It is a dimensionless parameter. It is having some dimension. Do you think so? It is having dimension. But तुमने इसको इससे equate किया. It is having no dimension. It is a dimensionless parameter whose value decides. It is a dimensionless parameter whose value decides what? Complete the line.
Ma'am, whether the liquid is streamlined or turbulent.
It means it is deciding the nature of the flow. In a particular subheading, nature of the flow, it decides the nature of the flow. It is a dimensionless parameter whose value decides the nature of the flow of liquid through a pipe. The nature of the flow of liquid through a pipe. if Reynolds number is between 0 to 2000, the flow is said to be streamlined. If the Reynolds number is more than 3000, then the flow is said to be turbulent. And if the Reynolds number is between 2000 and 3000, then the fluid is said to be unstable. Unstable means what? We can't predict its nature. In one particular instant, it can behave as turbulence. In other instant, maybe they behave as streamline. So their nature can't be determined here. The nature of the flow can't be determined in this range. Can you learn these three numbers? Any issue?
Ma'am, can you repeat the first one?
Reynolds number when between 0 to 2000, the flow is streamlined. It's a number which decides that the nature of the flow is streamlined or that turbulent, and that number is, if the value of RE is between 0 to 2000, then the flow is said to be streamlined. And if the value is more than 3000, which value? RE value, Reynolds number value, the flow is said to be turbulent. And if the Reynolds number lies between 2000 to 3000, then the flow is said to be
Unstable.
unstable. What is the meaning of unstable? Anyone from your side? What is the meaning of unstable?
It can't be predicted.
Changes.
Ma'am, it changes
Unpredicted.
constantly.
Yeah, we can't say anything about it. We are not sure about its nature.
Ma'am,
So it's unstable. Yes, dear.
ma'am, unstable और turbulent में क्या difference होगा?
बेटा turbulent तो क्या है? मुझे पता है कि वो haphazard zigzag manner में behave कर रहा है. Unstable मतलब क्या है कि I don't know कि maybe it can behave as the your streamlined one. Maybe it behave as a turbulent one. I'm not sure about its nature. So I'm just तो जो जिसका कोई भरोसा ही नहीं है उसे क्या बोलेंगे? वो नहीं कहते बिना पैंदी का लोटा टाइप का नहीं, वो क्या बोलते हैं? उसका कोई भरोसा ही नहीं है, वो कभी कुछ और बन जाता है, कभी कुछ और बन जाता है, उससे फ्लूइड को क्या बोलेंगे? स्टेबल फ्लूइड बोलेंगे बच्चा? You think so?
Ma'am, unstable.
Unstable because we can't say ना कि how that will behave in a particular instant. It can just turn around anything. ठीक है, हैरी पॉटर की स्टिक है, कुछ भी कर सकता है वो, तो कुछ भी कर सकता है. ठीक है, हाँ जी बेटा. Value, what to repeat beta? Reynolds number value is? So it is a constant for a given flow, no? For a given liquid, for a particular coefficient of viscosity, for a particular value of delta or density, for a particular value of diameter. So उस time में कितना ज़्यादा, बट streamline का मतलब क्या होता है? Streamline means orderly behavior. अब बेटा क्लास में इमेजिन करो, क्लास में 4 टॉपर हैं. मैं फॉर एग्जांपल देती हूँ, क्लास में 4 टॉपर हैं. क्या सबका नेचर एक जैसा होता है क्या? सबका पढ़ने का तरीका जैसा होता है क्या? सब अच्छे स्कोर करते हैं, सब टॉपर है, बट देयर वे ऑफ बिकमिंग अ टॉपर इज डिफरेंट. तो सिमिलरली स्ट्रीमलाइन फ्लो मतलब होता है एक ऑर्डरली फ्लो, एक स्ट्रीमलाइन फ्लो, एक मैनरफुल फ्लो जिसमें कुछ टर्बुलेंस, जिसमें कुछ वेरिएशन नहीं आता. लेकिन हर लिक्विड का अपने आप को स्ट्रीमलाइन करने का तरीका डिफरेंट होता है. वो कितना ज्यादा स्ट्रीमलाइंड है, वो कितना कम स्ट्रीमलाइंड है, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट नंबर. वीसी हैव सीन दैट वीसी की भी रेंज है फ्रॉम 0 to 1000 या 0 to 100 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ये पूरा स्ट्रीमलाइन रहेगा, है ना? तो जितना मैं वीसी को ज्यादा बढ़ा दूंगी उतना मेरा फ्लो ज्यादा स्ट्रीमलाइन बन जाएगा. तो इट्स एक्चुअली रेंज. दे नॉट डिफाइंड नंबर्स. वी टॉकिंग अबाउट अ रेंज. दैट्स नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ, इट्स अ कांस्टेंट. दैट्स अ नंबर्स, but they're not a
is given in a table according to the coefficient of viscosity of a particular liquid. Or we can find.
वॉइस लैग हो रहा है, पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है कट की आवाज आ रही है. बट
Ma'am,
बट
this number is defined for the coefficient of viscosity of a particular liquid.
हाँ, फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर लिक्विड कितना डेंसर है, कितना रेयर है, एक रेंज के साथ चल रहा है. इट्स नॉट अ पर्टिकुलर, ऐसा नहीं कि ये नंबर के साथ नहीं, हम रेंज के साथ खेल रहे हैं. Therefore we are saying it's a constant as well, because I'm not, ऐसा नहीं है ना बच्चा कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर रेंज के साथ में है ना. ऐसा तो है नहीं कि कभी 1000 के बाद लाख बन रहा है. नो. सो थोड़ा सा इसलिए वर्ड के साथ आप मैच नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, but it's a constant only, no dimension at all. ठीक है, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट
की वैल्यू होती है.
हाँ, जैसे बेटा म्यू की वैल्यू, बेटा म्यू अब हल्का सा गर्म कर दो वो 4/3 आई नो दैट ना, वाटर का 4/3 होता है 1.33 होता है ना बच्चा। लेकिन हल्का सा गर्म पानी कर दो, हल्का ठंडा पानी कर दो, क्या कांस्टेंट रहेगा? बता नहीं ना, बट इट इज कांस्टेंट वैल्यू। गर्म पानी करने से क्या होगा? इट विल बिकम डेंसर और रेयरर? टेल मी। Rarer. So its value should decrease na, from 1.33. So it maybe it will become 1.29, but it's a constant for that condition. Fine. Okay. Or not. Okay. So I hope these two topics are crystal clear to everyone. So our next topic is equation of continuity. But I just want to tell you again and again, don't go by names. I always tell you, don't go by names. So you will come across some Bernoulli's principle, equation of continuity, surface tension, पता नहीं क्या ascent formula and so and so. नाम से मत डरना कभी भी। अगर मैं हमेशा बच्चों को बोलती हूँ, अगर ये हमारे घर से लेट्स सपोज कोई निकला होता तो क्या होता, रामू का लॉ, शामू का लॉ, तो डर नहीं लगता। लेकिन एसेंट फॉर्मा देख के लगता था डर। वो बेचारे उनका नाम है, तो नामों में कुछ नहीं रखा। फिजिक्स इज वेरी मच रिलेटेड टू आवर रियल लाइफ। अच्छा आपको लगता है यही था क्या? तो नाम से मत जाना। इक्वेशन ऑफ कॉन्टिन्यूटी कुछ नहीं बताती। इतना बकवास टॉपिक है, इतना आसान टॉपिक है। लुक एट द बोर्ड। इक्वेशन ऑफ continuity. Acha, before starting with the topic, now you will tell me the answer. Ki what will be the equation? Those class 11th I have done before, so I'm not talking about 11th. 11B, which doesn't touch the topic. Now, just tell me if you are holding a pipe and you are watering the plants. ठीक है, कभी तो कुछ काम करते होंगे, थोड़ा पानी पौधों में डालते होंगे ना, ठीक है, चाहे मग से डालते चाहे पाइप से डालते होंगे ना कुछ कुछ। कभी हम सब ने मस्ती किया यार, कोई कजन सामने आ गया, भाई बहन सामने आ गया, व्हाट विल डू, वी एक्चुअली decrease, we just put our thumb on one of that part of the area cross section. We close that area cross section from मतलब थोड़ा fraction से close कर देते हैं. What will happen to that liquid flow in that condition?
Faster.
The velocity increases.
Velocity increases, and that and it is it is actually having that projectile motion, दूर तक जाता है, पास हो जाता है, ऐसा करते हैं ना सर? So what you have analyzed from it? From our childhood we know that. What is the equation of continuity? This is what we have analyzed. Your velocities increase when? What you have done? What you have done?
Ma'am, decreased area of cross section.
तो जी यही तो किया, उस एरिया को छोटा कर दिया। अब वही पाइप आ रहा है, उस सबको निकलना है, एरिया छोटा सा है, तो वेलोसिटी का क्या हुआ?
Increase.
Velocity will increase. So this is the equation of continuity. That area and cross section and the velocity of the flow are directly proportional to each other.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Indirectly.
Ma'am,
proportional.
inversely
Proportional
proportional.
to each other. As simple as that. This is the equation of continuity. You think it is difficult to understand? अब इसके साथ में थोड़ा गाना बजाना करूंगी मैं, तो सुंदर में डायग्राम बनाऊंगी और कहेंगे ओ माय गॉड इक्वेशन ऑफ क्वांटिटी कर रहे हैं। सामने देखो फटाफट से, हेल्प मी आउट। लेट्स सपोज आई एम टेकिंग सम वेरिएबल एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन ट्यूब। अब डराने के लिए बनाया डायग्राम, कुछ नहीं है, पानी की बोतल है, टिल्ट कर दिया। आई एम हैविंग अ डिफरेंट एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन। This is area of cross section, let's suppose is A1 and this area of cross section is A2. Why I have drawn this kind of figure? Because I want to study different area of cross section, how the velocity will change. Am I clear or not? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So let's suppose the liquid is flowing. Okay. चलो cold drink को flow करा देते हैं. Sprite. Liquid is flowing. The velocity of the fluid is here V1 and the velocity of the fluid is V2. Here, firstly, I want to tell you that I told you that we are learning a refined physics, a very beautiful chani physics, no complication at all. So if we are learning a refined physics, we are talking about an ideal fluids. Now, what do you think an ideal fluid will be? What do you think an ideal fluid will be? Ideal fluid. क्या होता है ideal fluid? चलिए इसे try को तुक्का मारो फटाफट से, here and there.
Viscosity.
Which is having what?
No viscosity.
No viscosity. कोई friction नहीं चाहती मैं जिंदगी में, कोई पल नहीं चाहती। आगे बढ़ो। We have done in Pascal's law में बड़ा सा डायलॉग मारा था Pascal's law में. The fluid should be
Pressible. Ma'am, pressure remains constant.
Pressure remains constant, तो Pascal law ठीक है। Pressure remains constant, बट हम fluid की नेचर की बात कर रही हूँ। Fluid nature. It will be
Incompressible. Incompressible.
Incompressible. Am I clear? मतलब कोई मुझे स्टाइल मारने को बोलेगा, what is an ideal fluid? It's an incompressible fluid, which is having the minimum friction offered by in its flow. It is steady flow. Streamline flow बोलेंगे, turbulent बोलेंगे ideal fluid को. बताइए. Ideal है. Streamline, steady flow, and it is having minimum friction between the layers. It is an incompressible fluid. Am I clear? Fine. Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
So if the flow is steady, it means that the amount of water entering the section is equal to the amount of water leaving the section. Yes or no? Yes or no? If imagine karo X amount of water is entering and only X by 2 is leaving, do you think that the flow will be steady?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. It means that here what I'm talking about, I'm talking about the conservation of mass. A steady manner, I can only simply say that the amount of liquid entering the one section should be equivalent to the amount of liquid leaving the other section, because I want a steady flow. Am I right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. I'm going fast. Is it difficult?
This point is not understood. Why would you say the amount of water entering and leaving has to be
Steady
separate?
flow means what? Steady flow means what? Steady मतलब क्या होता है? वो पानी जितना इकट्ठा नहीं हो रहा है.
And
पानी
straight
आपस में
line
लेयर
flow
टकरा नहीं रही है. मतलब स्ट्रेट लाइन की बात नहीं, मतलब फ्लो स्मूथ है. तो फ्लो स्मूथ कब होगा? बट एक बात बताइए, एक बच्चों की लाइन बन के आ रही है नीचे से, हमारा जब वो अपना असेंबली होता है, व्हेन वी गो टू अवर क्लास, अगर बेटा फ्लो स्टडी कब होता है कि अगर एक बच्चे की जाने की जगह है तो एक बच्चा जा रहा है, अगर उस जगह में 5 स्टूडेंट्स एंट्री करेंगे तो क्या वो फ्लो स्टडी रह पाएगा? उनका मोशन स्टडी रह पाएगा? नहीं ना. तो मतलब जितने बच्चे की जाने की जगह, जितना एक बच्चा जा रहा है तो एक ही बच्चा है. अब एक बच्चा जा रहा है, 4 बच्चे यहाँ पर कहेंगे नहीं हम पहले जाएंगे क्लास में, तो वो फ्लो स्टडी होता है? नहीं. So it means that what can I say that if the amount of liquid entering in one section should equal to the amount of liquid leaving the other section, then the flow will remain steady. There will be no collision. Okay, no haphazardness, no zigzag manner. So as simple as that I'm talking about that conservation of mass, that the liquid flowing in one section will be liquid flowing in other section. It means that, can I say that M1 is equal to M2 by conservation of mass? Right or not? Right or not? Am I right or not? M1 is equal to M2 or not? And I told you, we are the class 11 students. Should we bang on to mass? No, we have some high class. We will bang on to what? Density. And how to change mass into mass in density? What's the formula?
Density into volume.
Perfect. Perfect. Density into volume here. Density into volume here. Am I right or not? Is the density of liquid is changing from each and every point in an ideal fluid? No, they are incompressible fluid. The density will not change at all. We're talking about an ideal fluid, which means that this and this will get cancelled. Reason, rho is equal to rho 2. Why? It's an
Same fluid is
Ideal fluid.
ideal fluid. As we it's an incompressible fluid. Whatever you want to write down for your own sake, for your own understanding. Okay. अच्छा इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन, वॉल्यूम निकालना है. Oh my God. Let's suppose the liquid in time delta t. This area for the liquid flows from here to here. So in time delta t, what is the volume of liquid traveling from one place to other? Tell me. In time delta t, what is the volume of liquid traveling? Let's go in a unit time. What is the volume of liquid?
Into L.
A into L. And what is the formula of L? L, because I want my answer in terms of velocity. So I will take panga. So I will change this L. Who will tell me your L and velocity, how they are related to each other? अरे बचपन में पढ़ा था distance का formula. What is the formula?
And velocity into time.
velocity into time.
So distance is equal to speed into time. Am I clear or not? What is the formula of speed? What is the formula of speed? What is the symbol of speed? V given. So can I say that it is V1 into delta t? Any problem? Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Am I going fast? Are you not able to understand what I'm talking about?
मैम you how much volume it will cover, so हम सिलेंडर का वॉल्यूम निकाल देंगे ना.
बिल्कुल यही तो करना है, डायलॉग बाजी मारा कि यही करना है. सो मैं थोड़ा कि बुक में भी स्टाइल वाले लैंग्वेज में भी स्टाइल मार देती हूँ, बस करना वही कुछ नहीं है. A1 into L1 is equal to A2 into L2. If this liquid is going from here to here, so will this liquid here will remain constant here, or should move forward? Just tell me. If this liquid is moving from here to here,
Forward.
it will move forward, no? It will move forward. Suppose this is the region where it reached in time delta t. So this length is L2, this length is L1. This is the formula of volume, right or not? Right or not? Substitute the value of L1. A1 V1 delta t is equal to A2 V2 delta t. What is the final result coming out to be? A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. What you are concluding from it? What are you concluding from it? Remember, I1 omega 1 is equal to I2 omega 2 in your chapter in rotation motion. उसमें क्या मतलब था? That I omega is? How can I just conclude this equation? A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 means what? What is constant?
Ma'am, AV is constant.
AV is constant. AV is constant. AV is constant. AV is constant means what? This product should remain constant.
मैम
Yes, बच्चा.
मैम एक बार फिर से बता दो AB कांस्टेंट.
कहाँ से? बेटा A1 V ऐसे बच्चा है ना, A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2 is equal to A3 V3 आ जाए. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि किसी भी दो नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी आंसर मेरा
मैम
सेम ही चल रहा है. मतलब AB का जो प्रोडक्ट है वो हर सिचुएशन में क्या है, सेम ही तो है. So can I say that in general AB is a constant term?
Yes, ma'am.
The product is constant. I'm not talking about A is constant. I'm not talking about B is constant. What is constant? The product of
Ma'am, AV.
AB constant. Now, if area is decreased, to make it constant, what should happen to B?
It should increase.
It should increase. So that the product should remain
Constant.
constant. As simple as that. So write down everyone and write and explain yourself that what we are dealing here.
Ma'am,
Write down AB is yes बच्चा.
ma'am, L is equals to V into delta T. एक बार समझा दो.
बेटा डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है बेटा? What is the formula of distance? Speed time. बेटा डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला तो स्पीड का डिस्टेंस क्या है बेटा? लेंथ से ट्रैवल किया तो इसका फॉर्मूला स्पीड इनटू टाइम. क्लियर?
Okay.
Okay. चल. Everyone, note it down and explain yourself that what we have done in this entire topic. Do you find this topic very difficult? Tell me frankly. Is this topic very difficult? कोई नहीं
मैम
बोलेगा.
तो मतलब इसमें कंक्लूजन क्या है?
कंक्लूजन यही जो हमने स्टार्टिंग में डिस्कस किया कि जब मुझे किसी को परेशान करना है, किसी को भिगोना है, तो मैं पाइप को एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन को आई क्लोज अ बिट. उससे क्या होता है? जो पानी धीरे धीरे जा रहा था वो पानी अब वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज हो जाती है. हम नहीं खेलते हैं क्या? मूवी में देखा क्या? ऐसे करके जो सारे पानी फैलाते हैं वो क्या करते हैं? वो पाइप के सेक्शन को बंद कर देते हैं ना. तो मैंने कंक्लूड कर दिया कि भैया एरिया वेलोसिटी क्या है, आपस में इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होते हैं. वो कंक्लूड करने के लिए सारी कहानी करी हमने और लास्ट में आ भी गया कि ए भी कांस्टेंट है. ए भी कांस्टेंट का मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर एक को बढ़ाऊंगी दूसरे को अपने आप से क्या करना पड़ेगा?
Decrease.
हाँ, one is increasing, other should decrease to make the product as constant. As simple as that. If you remember, याद है ना जब कहा वो जो आई में कांस्टेंट था बेटा, because L was constant. तो अगर वो डांसर अपने हाथ को फोल्ड करते तो अपने का आई कम हो गया तो स्पीड क्या हो जाती थी? क्या होता था स्पीड? क्योंकि that आई में कांस्टेंट ना. तो अगर एक चीज बढ़ रही है दूसरी चीज को अपने आप से कम होना पड़ेगा. So that the product should remain constant. हमने वो चीज को मैथमेटिकली प्रूव कर दिया. रियलिटी पता ही था हमको कि होता क्या है. ठीक है आयुष और नॉट?
यस मैम.
ठीक है, इसे नोट कर लें. Then we'll move forward. equation of continuity depends on which, if anybody asks you to justify, now this type of question can come in examination, because now within some 3 to 4 months you will start your class 12. If anybody asks you to justify your principle, justify कर दो इस बात को, तो आपको नॉर्मली लॉज लिखने पड़ते हैं जो यूनिवर्सल लॉज है. So how will justify this equation of continuity? Which law helps you out to conclude it?
Conservation of mass.
Some laws of
Conservation. Law of conservation of mass. Perfect. Now do remember this thing. And teacher will not repeat again and again in your class 12 as well. If anybody asks you to justify it, just try to find out that which actually law you are using. Fine? Lazy boys and girls, at least yes to bol diya karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So can I rub this board, or you are still writing? I'm not in hurry. If you're still writing, there's no issue. But if you're sleeping, ठीक. So how you feel that your part 1 book was easy or part 2 book was easy till this topic we have achieved?
Part 2.
Part 2.
बेटा पता क्या? Why the part 2 is easy? Because now you all have that faith. Sorry, yes.
But there are still chapters left, so we can't judge.
हाँ, there's still chapter left. थोड़े अभी ना आप लोगों को झटका लग गया तो आपने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया. यही